Hey guys, Dan the Man 92 back again with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm gonna be talking about my favorite tool, so stay tuned. Before we get back to your regularly scheduled tool review, just want to let you know that I do have a merch store that is now open. Link is in the description, so be sure to check it out where you can get shirts, hats, and stickers. I'm currently waiting on some of the stuff to come in, and then you will be able to see it in person. Well, video, but you know what I mean. Anyway, all the money that I receive from it, I will be putting back into either getting tools to restore, items to help me restore tools, or better filming equipment. So if you could help out, I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to use code word TOOL, all caps, when you check out, and you'll get 5% off of your first purchase. That's only good for the next month. So back to where we were. So for those of you that do not know, my favorite tool is the Ford wrench. This one is an actual Ford wrench. It even says Ford right there. So at my house right now, I have 4 of them. This one I need to do a complete restoration on. The jaws are terrible. This one might have a brand on it. No. But the other name for this, other than a Ford wrench, is an auto wrench. This one right here, the bigger one, W&B. So this is a heavy duty one. This one I need to restore as well, completely. The jaws don't align all fully. I believe that the top head is angled back a little bit, so maybe I'll get a press and we'll fix that. Comes my smallest one. This one is a Girard Wrench Manufacturing Company, made in Pennsylvania. So when I kind of did a quick cleanup on it, cleaned up the wood, handle, kind of got a lot of crud off the rest of it, but I believe this one closes for them. Jaws aren't straight at all. So what I might have to do is take it apart and then just grind the jaws a little bit, kind of clean up the back a little bit here. And then the first auto wrench that I ever had was an actual Ford wrench. And this one was made in Springfield, Massachusetts. I think this is one of the first restorations I ever did. I hate it. I didn't really pay attention to the jaws, and this is fully closed. Look at that gap right there. That's just ridiculous. So what I'm gonna have to do is cut some more of these serrations up into here. That way it can fully close. I believe the jaws are straight and line up for the most part. Nah, it's a little crooked. So that's something I need to fix. I hate the paint job I did on this, honestly. See, it's like just chips, paint's chipping off on this, and it's not great. So probably the next project I'm gonna be doing, next restoration, which might be next week or so, is I'm going to be restoring one of these tools, one of these wrenches. So you guys pick which one you want. I'll put, just write down in the comment section which one you want me to restore. This is A. This is B. This is C. And this is D. So just put in the comments section A, B, C, and D. And whichever one has the most votes will be the one that that I restore. So it's in your hands, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you very much. Have a great day.